upbeat, catchy music playing. Hey, bye smart fam! Welcome back to your favorite channel, where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have a sky-high showdown between two incredible drones. On the left, we have the SOTAONE S350, aka the Budget Bird. And on the right, we have the CHUBORY super enduring brushless motor drone, aka the Sky Beast. So, buckle up and let's dive right into the aerial battle of the century. First things first, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, money. The Budget Bird SOTAONE S350 comes in at a wallet-friendly $59. That's like 3 pizzas and a soda. Meanwhile, the Sky Beast CHUBORY is priced at $149. Ouch, that's like skipping a few date nights. But hey, sometimes you gotta pay to play. According to reviewers, the SOTAONE S350 is an excellent value for beginners, while the CHUBORY provides more advanced features that justify its higher price. Now, on to the camera quality. The Budget Bird offers a 1080p HD picture with FPV live video. Not bad for capturing your neighbor's dog doing its business. But the Sky Beast ups the ante with a 2K HD camera. That's right, folks, 2K. You can practically count the leaves on a tree from 300 feet up. Plus, it has a 130 degrees wide-angle lens. Reviewers love the SOTAONE S350's camera for casual use, but the CHUBORY's camera is praised for its superior quality and stability, making it perfect for capturing stunning aerial scenery. Next up, flight time. The Budget Bird gives you a modest 20 minutes with its 2 rechargeable batteries. That's enough time to annoy your cat and still make it back for dinner. But the Sky Beast? Oh boy, it comes with 3 upgraded batteries, giving you a whopping 84 minutes of flight time. That's almost enough to fly to your in-laws' house and back. Almost. Reviewers mention that the SOTAONE S350's flight time is sufficient for beginners, while the CHUBORY's extended flight time is a major plus for those looking for longer aerial adventures. Let's talk ease of use. The Budget Bird is super beginner-friendly with features like altitude hold, one-key takeoff/landing, and headless mode. Perfect for kids or anyone who's ever crashed a drone into a tree. Guilty! Reviewers find it easy for children to learn and use. But the Sky Beast isn't far behind. It also has one-key start landing, optical flow positioning, and even a follow me mode. Because who doesn't want a drone that's more loyal than your dog? Reviewers appreciate its user-friendly controls and additional features that enhance the flying experience. Stunt lovers, this one's for you. The Budget Bird can perform 4-direction 3D flips, high-speed rotation, and fixed-point circle fly. It's like the Tony Hawk of drones. Reviewers enjoy its stunt capabilities, especially for beginners. But the Sky Beast can also do 3D flips, and it has gesture selfies and trajectory flight. So if you're into drone selfies, the Sky Beast has got your back. Or front, whichever. Reviewers note that the CHUBORY's additional features make it a versatile choice for more creative aerial tricks. Finally, let's talk build quality and safety. The Budget Bird comes with propeller guards and a low-power alarm. Plus, it's foldable and fits right in your palm. Handy for when you need to make a quick getaway. Reviewers find it durable enough for beginners, especially kids. On the other hand, the Sky Beast features strong alloy brushless motors, meaning it's more durable and resistant to falls. It's like the Chuck Norris of drones, tough and ready for action. Reviewers highlight its build quality and resilience, making it a reliable choice for more serious drone enthusiasts. Summarizing the Amazon reviews, the SOTAONE S350 is praised for being a great starter drone, especially for beginners and kids. It offers decent camera quality, ease of use, and durability at an affordable price. On the other hand, the CHUBORY Super Enduring Brushless Motor Drone is lauded for its superior camera quality, extended flight time, and robust build. While it has a higher price point, reviewers find it to be worth the investment for its advanced features and overall performance. Energetic. So there you have it, folks. The Budget Bird, SOTAONE S350, and the Sky Beast, CHUBORY Super Enduring Brushless Motor Drone. Both have their highs and lows, much like their flight paths. If you're on a tight budget, the SOTAONE S350 is a fantastic choice. But if you're ready to invest a bit more for extra features and longer flight time, the CHUBORY is the way to go. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more epic product battles. And let us know in the comments which drone you'd pick and why. Until next time, keep flying high and always buy smart. Music fades out end screen with channel logo and subscribe button. Product links are in the description.